Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to turn long YouTube videos into shorts with remix. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to turn long YouTube videos into short with the help of remix, all you need to do is simply open your YouTube app. Once you open your YouTube app, you need to go to the watch page and simply tap on the long video you want to watch. So simply tap on the long video. So you should make sure that you select a video from your own YouTube channel. So once you select the video, you can simply find the remix option right over there. So now you need to select the sound. And once you have selected the sound as well, you can simply turn this long YouTube video into a shorts. So once you have completed and saved all your video, like you have simply trimmed it, in the pop-up menu, simply tap on the option called Shorts Creation Tool. Now simply choose your clip and edit your short and upload and publish. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.